Default printer maintenance is used to bring predefined printers into the destination box for any programs that are defined here. Destination box I'm referring to is the pop-up box that appears when running reports, where you would select the printer that you wish to run your report to. Quickly, I'm going to fast track now into GB4200, which is user maintenance. And we're going to execute query on the user that I've defined as today, which is SDC test. And we can see on this screen here we have a default printer set to screen. So at this time, any screens that we go into, our default printer in the destination box will be screened for user SDC test. Now we'll execute query in this screen and we'll see the records that we've already defined in this screen. We have, for example, the order entry program OE2100, which requires a value in this screen if you're using our order entry system, because invoices are printed through one-step orders. So this program has to be defined in the screen. For our example today, we're going to look at the invoice print program OE2500, which has a default printer set up as laser. We have the user box here not populated, so this means that any user in the system right now that goes in to use the invoice print program will have the destination box populated with laser instead of whatever their default user printer has been set up in user file maintenance. But what I'm going to do today is set up OE2500 again here for user SDC test. We'll do a list of values, and we're going to select printer LPT1 from our list of values. Save this record. Now what's going to happen is when user SDC test uses the invoice print program, LPT01 will come up as the default printer. For any other users in the system, laser would appear. So we'll fast track into OE2500 and run the program. And we can see here our destination printer is LPT1, and of course that can be overwritten in the screen if that's not what we wish to use. So this is a very useful feature where you can define for specific programs the printers that you may wish to use. That concludes the tutorial on the default printer maintenance.